What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is a three-way Antutu benchmark comparison between the Realme X2 Pro, the Asus ROG Phone 2 and the OnePlus 7T. All of the phones have the Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU and 8 GB of RAM. In terms of the pricing, the Realme X2 Pro is the cheapest, followed by the ROG Phone 2 as it is the 10-cent model, and then the OnePlus 7T. So we're going to find out in this video which one scores the highest. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Asus ROG Phone 2 finished first, and overall it scored the highest with over 490,000 points. In second place was the OnePlus 7T, scoring higher than the Realme X2 Pro, although that finished third place after the Realme X2 Pro. Now in the breakdown of the categories, for the CPU, the ROG Phone 2 scored the highest, then the OnePlus 7T, then the Realme X2 Pro. For the GPU, interestingly, the OnePlus 7T scored the highest, then the Realme X2 Pro, and then the ROG Phone 2. For the memory, the OnePlus 7T scored the highest, then the ROG Phone 2, and then the Realme X2 Pro. And finally, the UX, the ROG Phone 2 scored the highest, then the Realme X2 Pro, and lastly, the OnePlus 7T. So that is the end of this comparison video. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.